Today, it's such an exciting day. So we've had this Roadster for about 4 years now. It's a 1968 Datsun 1600 or Roadster, or a Fair Lady. I think there's several different names for them, but today starts Project Body Swap. So we've had this one for 4 years, like I said, but the body of it is in pretty terrible shape. So we've been just, kind of playing with it, driving it around. It runs and drives just fine. We've done a little bit of work to it to keep it going. But it has no roof right now either, so it's a fair weather car. But we went and found this one. This is the other 1968 Datsun Roadster. They are the exact same car. They are, I think, actually from the factory they're the same color too. So the plan is this one is in really good shape. So I think the body has very little filler in it, not really any dents or dings. So we're going to refinish this body and put it on this car. All right, so we're getting ready to get started getting sanding. So we've got a whole set of Dura-Block sanding blocks. We have never painted a car before, so everything that we've done, we are teaching ourselves and learning as we go. So we're about to start sanding. Like I said before, we got primer on the car, and we are gonna start sanding.